So I got my cutting board and my 70% isopropyl alcohol. I don't really have a spray bottle available, so I'm just going to kind of pour and sterilize everything that way. I've got my distilled water here. Got a utility knife. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down with the isopropyl alcohol. We've got scissors. Also, the 2 pieces of cardboard, which I'm going to use them both because I want to see how this works. And got my fruiting block. Go focus. Yep, that's my Blue Oyster Mushrooms. And I've got my 2 Ziploc bags and my tape, my transport tape. So I'm going to go ahead and tear off a roll of the transport tape. The transport tape is the microporous tape that you see in the videos and people talk about. And it sticks to everything. It's easy to tear. It's got lots of little holes in it so things can breathe. I'm using this actually on my mono tub over my filters. Maybe I shouldn't have put my gloves on first. Okay. Sorry about the cell phone beeping. And we're going to go ahead and put the cardboard in the water. Get that nice and saturated. Not too saturated, but not too dry. I just sprayed water. That was lovely. Probably should have got a bigger bowl. I imagine we're using the cardboard because it is a cellulose. It's made of cellulose, which is paper, fancy word for paper. We'll go ahead and sterilize our gloves and everything again. And then we'll go ahead and sterilize the outside of the block and everything here. Now I've got a food saver, and I'm going to try and reseal my fruiting block here with the food saver. Okay, I've got that open. Waiting for my gloves to dry a little bit. I think I put a little too much alcohol on the gloves. I don't want that to affect the mycelium that I'm pulling out. We're just going to take a nice little corner chunk. It's interesting how easily this breaks up. So we've got a piece there, we've got a piece there. That's probably a little bit too big. Let's have those pieces, but that's, you can see how it is thoroughly. So put those back in there. Fold these corners in and put that down. And this will get a piece of nice tape. and then go back into the refrigerator so it stays good and healthy. And we're going to kind of crumble this up just a little bit so that we've got a good amount into the cardboard. And probably too much on my cardboard, but it'll be okay. Oh, dog's interested in something. And we're going to roll this up. We're actually pushing out some of this water too, so any excess water, this will stay nice and dry. Well, moist. Stay nice and moist. Now we've got our transport tape going around it. That's going to hold it in place. I'm going to take another piece of transport tape and we'll just split that. So we've got our other one. Crumble up a little bit more, spread out some. I don't have any live mushrooms to do the optional part of this, but I figure I'll take 2 of these and put them in my closet, which I guess I'll turn into the incubation room. Oops. There we are all the way around. That's 1. And 2 all the way around. And then the only thing that's missing is we take our Ziploc bags, drop 1 in, close it to about 1 inch. Let's take some of that air out so that it's, again, kind of passive. With that passive flow of air and carbon dioxide. All right. Now these are ready to go into the incubation chamber, my dark closet, for a week, and we'll check on them next Sunday or Saturday.